Hey guys, Dr. Tom Chaney here. I'm here in my kitchen, and tonight I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy meal in less than 10 minutes. So one of the common complaints that I hear from patients is they don't have time to cook a healthy meal. So tonight I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy meal in less than 10 minutes. On the menu tonight is going to be wild caught salmon, and also we're going to be steaming broccoli. And I'm going to show you how you can do this, and it's going to be an awesome dinner in less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, so we've got our salmon, we've got our broccoli here, and we've got our Breville steamer we're going to be steaming. There's some research that just recently came out that talked about and linked charred food, so grilled food, with increased risk of breast cancer, other chronic diseases. So we want to start doing more steaming, less grilling, and so this is going to be a great recipe for that. So we've got this Breville dual steamer, and it's got two zones, so you can cook two different foods at two different temperatures and two different times. It also syncs up so that you can actually, so that the food all ends and is done at the same time. So that's really cool. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So we hit the power button. We're going to do the dual zone. I'm going to add some water. Okay, we're going to put some parchment paper in the bottom here. This is for the fish. I'm just going to lay the fish right in there. I'm going to add some spices. So I'm going to do some organic seasoning. So this is from Vital Choice. It's an organic seafood rub. All right, we've got our lid. And so we've got our steamer set up. So I'm going to set it up so that we're going to sync it so both of them finish at the same time. We're going to do the so it's going to take 6 minutes for the fish, and we're going to do 7 minutes for the broccoli. Okay, and we are going to hit start, and that's it. So we're done. Dinner will be ready in 7 minutes. All right guys, dinner's done. So got our salmon's done. Just gonna pull it out of there. Go. Broccoli's done. Okay. And then we've got our small chain triglyceride oil, and we're just going to put some of that on top of the broccoli. Put a little bit on the fish. All right, and there you go, dinner served.